Hi friends, welcome to EC Praveen YouTube channel. In this video, my friend gonna discuss about his final year project for EC students.
Hi everyone, our project is design and implementation of artificial human hand model based on eye blink detection under the guidance of Dr. K. Prashanti Jasmine and myself Sheikh Mahbub Subhani and my batchmates are V. Ajit and CH Rakesh Kumar. This is the whole setup of our project, and in this project the main components are two eye blink sensors and one mouth sensor. The two eye blink sensors and one mouth sensor are connected to the Myrio, which is a controller of this project, and Myrio has a Zinc FPGA, and these three sensors are connected to the input pins of the Myrio, and the output pins, which are the output pins of the Myrio, connected to the RF transmitter. The RF transmitter will transmit the values and received by the RF receiver in the transmitter section, and the RF receiver output pins will be given to the L293DH bridge, and which will control the whole AHHM module. The output pins of the L293DH bridge is given to the AHHM module. So here you can see that my laptop and ESP8266 and Myrio is connected to the same network, and the transformation of information between means the code dumping of the code from laptop to Myrio is wireless. So this is the front panel representation of our project. You can see the block diagram representation also. This is the total block diagram representation of our project. Here, when you are pressing on the run button, the code is dumping into the Myrio through wireless. The code is dumped based on the requirements and based on the operations performed by the sensors. We have major four activities. In that, first one is two eyes are closed, two eye blinks are detected. That one is when two eye blinks are detected, the AHHM module will be closed. When only mouth is opened, only mouth sensor is activated, means the AHHM will be open. Similarly, when left eye blink is detected and mouth is open, left eye blink is detected and mouth sensor is open, the AHHM will move to downward. Similarly, when right eye blink is detected and mouth is open, right eye blink is open, detected and mouth is open, the AHHM will move to upward. Mouth open, two eyes are closed. Left eye blink plus mouth open, right eye blink plus mouth open, only mouth open. Left eye blink plus mouth open, right eye plus mouth open, two eyes are closed. Thank you. Right eye blink plus mouth open, two eyes are closed. Left eye blink plus mouth open, right eye blink plus mouth open, only mouth open. Left eye blink plus mouth open. Thank you. So the second thing is the person will get help by others from anywhere. In this regard, we are using an app called Robot, which is designed by us. This is the app. This will consist of 5 buttons: uplift and close, down, open and stop button. And similarly we are using to see the person things. To observe the person and machinery, we need another platform called AnyDesk. In this we are using multi-screen app in the mobile and open AnyDesk app. In this we have to enter the system's code. The system which is nearer to the person, we are entering that code. And after entering the code, we will get access. So this is the system, this is the window of the system which is nearer to the person. So in this we are using the system's laptop's webcam. So observe one thing, I am monitoring the system from outside. So we are accessing. So this is the AHHM module which is nearer to the system. This will be seeing by us from the laptop webcam. So by seeing this, we will operate the AHHM from anywhere. So here I want to close the AHHM. So I am pressing the close button. Then the ThingSpeak server will be updated and the ESP8266 module will receive the instruction from the ThingSpeak server and similar operation is done. See, the AHHM module is closing. Similarly, I want to open the AHHM module and I am pressing here open. You can observe that the AHHM is opening. Similarly, we can use uplift button and down button, and I am here stop button also. I'm stopping. So you can observe there is no action performing by the AHHM. Thank you.
I hope this video will help you. If any doubts, please comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.